Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your Facebook Marketplace listings step by step clearly. Open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Marketplace section. Click on the Sell Something button. Select the type of item you want to list. Fill in the item title. Add a clear description of the item. Set a competitive price for your item. Choose the appropriate category for your listing. Upload high-quality photos of the item. Make sure to include multiple angles to show details. Specify the condition of the item, new or used. Select your location for the listing. Adjust the settings for shipping options, if applicable. Review all the details to ensure everything is accurate. Click on the Publish button to list your item. Monitor your listing for inquiries and respond promptly. When your item sells, mark it as sold in your listings. That's how you configure your Facebook Marketplace listings step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.